Payal Mazumdar from Lexis and Company. Today we talk about the topic of POXO Act and its needs and relevance in India. So, children are important marginalized group who frequently get suffer from various types of exploitation, the most of which is sexual exploitation. As a result, they are marginalized not only in terms of access to basic human needs but also in terms of freely expressing their opinions and having them properly accepted and issues that are important to them. The Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act is 2021 and in the most effective and balanced tool for combating this crime for children who are victims of various forms of sexual abuse. This act serves as a in term of providing instruments as well as courage in terms of laws, flaws and regressive nature. Despite the fact that the act has many flaws in it, the implementation it has been summarized with scenario efforts to wipe away the past and scars of children sexually abused in various forms. The sexual abused children who are marginalized must rely on their elders, and in addition to sexual abuse they face denial of various economic rights such as food, clothing and shelter, etc. Now what are the background about this? The IPC was insufficient to protect children and criminalize non-traditional sexual abuse, which different from the above mentioned things which I have told about that. And children trafficking, pornography is one of those crimes. The adequate of the IPC as well as the lack of strict laws for effective addressing and countering heinous crimes such as sexual exploitation and sexual abuse of children. Later, it has a creation of POXO Act. The purpose of government establishes was to protect children from sexual assault, sexual harassment and pornography offences, as well as it facilitates the legal machinery by setting up special courts for their trial of offences and matters pertaining such sexual abuse crimes. Now what are the needs of POXO Act? Child sexual abuse is on the rise all over the world and particularly in our own country, India, which is one of the top 5 countries in the world in terms of the number of sexual offences involving children in many ways. India criminal law appears inadequate to deal with such a sensitive issues. Thus, the POXO 2012 was put in place to make it earlier for victims of sexual abuse to seek justice. And the Act directs the use of more human methods of dealing with victims and prohibits judicial victimization of children. As a result of increased awareness, the number of such cases reportedly has more to daughter. Now, in the end, what are the legal process? So, the POXO Act defines sexual assault and the sexual harassment and pornography. It also established a child-friendly procedure for recording evidence, investigation and prosecuting offences, establishing special courts and expediting case trials. The Act purpose is to protection children in every stage in legal process. At first, the POXO Act appears to be an effective piece of legislation for protecting children from sexual offences. So, there are these things under this topic. So, any of the doubt regarding this topic, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much.